It's your girl SoSimplyDe, and I'm back at it again with another natural hair tutorial. If you are interested on how I achieve this sleek braided ponytail on my 4-type natural hair without using any heat, just keep on watching. Okay guys, I am starting on shampooed and conditioned and deep conditioned hair. I apply leave-in and install twist so my hair can dry kinda stretch but not completely dry. And as always, we are working in sections. Okay, while working in sections, I first detangle my hair. Then I apply a generous amount of gel. Then I go back in with the detangler or denim brush to further detangle and comb out the curls and to distribute the gel throughout my hair. Then I go back and use a hard brush to smooth out the curls. And then I apply my scrunchie. I continue those same steps throughout the rest of my hair. edge control to lay down any flyaways and to style my edges. Now you can add a rubber band to seal your ends, but I prefer to dip it in hot water to loosen up the stiffness in the braid to make it more movable and lifelike. Okay, this is the final results. I actually enjoy this hairstyle. It's very cute, sleek, and not to mention very easy. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And again, thanks for watching.